So before starting off topic, let me know once, what kind of errors have you seen till now? The most common error, first error, syntax error. What you have seen the first error is what? Syntax error. Now these people who can answer, who have done the coding properly or practiced it perfectly only, they can answer this part. Repeating for them, it will be like a new topic. But 90% of you will already have faced these errors. So first error is what? Syntax error. When you'll be getting syntax error? When there is something wrong, like what we have assigning variable or something, like what you forgot to keep the what single quote, double quote. Then you get the what syntax error. Then you will be seeing something called as type error. Then next value error. Then next, okay, name error. Then after name, index error. When we get first of all value error, and when type, at least line by line. First of all, first five syntax when I forgot to keep starting single quote, ending single quote, I forgot to keep. Then what I get syntax error. Okay, basic, not depth we go. Okay, now when we like it type error, can I convert suppose the string having a float directly converting to int possible? Then what we get there? Type error. Then value error when you'll get when you're having many values, or suppose 4 variables. How many variables? 4 variables. ABC. Okay, ABC like this. And we passed many values. Then what we get there? Value error. Then when we'll get name error, when a variable is not declared. Suppose AB there, I'm trying to print C. Is C variable declared? No. But I'm trying to print. What will get there? Name error. Then index error when you get like suppose like what? PY. What is index of P? 0. Y index 1. Okay, this is 0. If I say print index of what? 3. 3 there? No. Then what you get there? Index error. Depending on what topic it is. If it is string index out of range. If it is tuple index out of range. If it is list index out of range. Okay. Then next errors. Next 6 error there. Attribute error. When will I get this attribute error? Yeah, perfectly you have to tell now answers. We are ending of topic now. Okay. When you like it attribute error now, like suppose list data type. List data type does not have what method like what remove prefix, remove suffix. But I'm trying to use. That time what I'll get attribute error. So when you like it attribute error when a data type does not have that method, but trying to use some other method, then what you get attribute error. Okay. Apart from this again, key error. Okay. Attribute error. Then what is errors? What else? Key error. Okay. But key error, okay, What else? Huh? Main error you're forgetting. Yesterday topic only. Okay, file that of error 0. Okay, file types of error 0. Okay. What about 2 o'clock batch students? Even 2 p.m. also. Main error you're forgetting. Yeah, even responding chat box. Huh? No. Attribute over. 0 division error. Okay. Everyone you know, okay, everything is fine. But the most important error is what? 0 division error. Why? Because they use the values only. Okay. So anything by mistake, if you do anything by 0, what will get? 0 division error. 0 division error. Then still more errors are there. Okay. Many errors are there. I should have seen file error, all these things, many errors. Okay. But this at least remember these errors. Okay. Just make a note of this one fast. Okay. So these are the errors there now. But what is the logic of studying these errors now? Okay. What is the logic? Why we have to know? What is the use? How can we do? First of all, can you read this part now? You didn't copy it now? Okay. See, previously I wrote one something mirror was there. Suppose first three lines are okay. Middle part one something wrong there. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Again, below lines I have there, which are what correct. Okay, below lines also correct. But I have something wrong in the middle line. Okay. At what line is suppose like what? Line number 4. Line number what? 4. Now, if I run this code, what is happen? What will happen there? Code gets stopped at what line? Line number what? 4. It will go to below line 0? No, no chance. No chance. But only because of fourth line, why others have to suffer? Yes or no? Why? Because of just a fourth line, other lines should not get executed. Okay, got the point. You know there is some kind of mistake in what line now? Line number what? 4. That error will now what? Handle now. That error what will do now? Handle now. Because remaining lines of code should get what now? Executed. Okay, remaining lines of code should get what now? Executed. That is our main aim now. Because my code gets line number 1, 2, 3 is correct. At line number 4, there is something wrong. My code gets stopped at line number 4. But now we'll apply some techniques. Some techniques. And people who know Java, please forget Java. Don't think this concept was there in Java again. Because starting day I told you, Python didn't copy Java. Java copied what? Python. Again, if you think Java and Python have confusion, will start now. If you know, it's fine. But what you have there, yes, something will not be there. If you know, perfectly fine. So in this class, I think 3 to 4 people, they know Java. Okay. If you know, it's fine. But don't know, more fine. Okay. Will be very easy to understand. Okay. So better start the coding part directly. file number. Yeah. So if I do 3 by 0, what I'll get? Yeah, don't need anything for just half an hour, 1 hour. Okay. Just concentrate, okay, on the screen. Once you're perfect in this topic, think like 60% of Python you're perfect. How much percentage? 60%. Okay. So 3 by 0 now will work there? No. What I'll get now? 0 division error. If I run this code, what I'll get now? 0 division error. Yes. Okay. It's already know. Okay. Then is there any variable called as HH? No. But if I try to print, what I'll get now? Name error name HH is not defined. Okay. Then can I convert this what hello into integer? Possible? No. Then what I get there? Value error. Okay. Then can I concatenate string plus float? No, it's not possible. That is what called as what now? Type error. Okay. This is a basic first part. Basic first part. Okay. So stop writing whatever you're doing now because lengthy topic. Okay. See here, once I'll show you so that you won't get disturbed. Okay. Starting with what now? Part 1. Okay. Part 1 to if I scroll down, then you'll understand. Okay. This is my target. Don't see line number of lines are there. How many number of lines are there? 197. If you see 199 lines, khatam. Same program I'll be writing for what? Multiple times. That's why I gave you 2 minutes of time. Starting, you see perfectly there. Whoever is seeing the screen, observe carefully there. First program, second program, whatever I wrote there, all the same only. Only single line I have changed. Okay. So don't think you're learning now what many programs. One program only learning what now and how you're handling the errors. Okay now. So don't get disturbed for what next more half an hour. Fine. So we'll start with part 1. Okay. Now, see here. What is the first statement there? Print Python. Next what there? Core Python. Now you all everyone knows what if I do print. Suppose if I print 5 by 0, what I'll get if I don't have this one. Suppose let me keep this in comment first of all. Okay. And if I write there what? Print 5 by 0. What is output of this one? Anything going to come mistake? That's the main point now. Python, core Python, 0 division error. My code gets stopped there or not? That is the main question now. Stop. Okay. The C one there. Check one. Stop down or stop down? At what line number stopped? Line number 7. But the remaining lines, if you check there, 8, 9, and 10, are they correct or something mistake there? Correct. So because of this just 7th line, the remaining lines have not been what now? Executed. So I have a doubt at what line number what now? 7. So that line I'll be keeping in what now? In the try block. In what now? Try. Now what happens in the case of try? Okay, what happens in the case of a try? See, I'm saying what I hang a doubt there. 5 by 0 is what? Mistake. If there is mistake, now it will go to what now? Except. If there is a mistake, we'll go to what now? Except. What will say? You have divided by what? 0. Then even the remaining lines will get now what? Executed. What will come? Advanced Python, Python analytics. So see the first line of code there. First part, Python, core Python. Then 5 by 0 is wrong. What will come there? You have divided by what? 0. Then next what? Advanced Python. Next what? Python analytics. In the first thing, just I wrote try there. I have a doubt in what? 5 by 0. In the except, did I pass anything there? Or only just accept? Just only what now? Except. Don't write, okay, just see once properly. Okay, why? Because the same thing I'll be changing now. Fine. First part is clear? Okay. Second part. First of all, anything new code there? No. In just a place of 5 by 0, what I have taken now? 10 by 5. First of all, 10 by 5 is correct or wrong? Correct. So it will go to except block now? No. Only when it is wrong, will go to what now? Except block. But when the correct statement is correct, it will not go to what now? Except block. So what the first thing gets printed? Python, core Python. What is the answer of this one? 2.0. Then next what will come now? Advanced Python, Python analytics. Run the code. So first two parts are clear. In first and second part, what you got the point? When it is wrong, it went to except block. When it is correct, it won't go to the except block. And in the except, did I pass anything kind of message there? Like after except? No. Okay, no? No. Part 3. Observe the first thing there. In the part 3, I have passed in the except one name. What is the name I have passed there now? What is the error message I have passed there? 0 division error. Now, understand carefully now. Python. Next what now? Core Python. A equal to what? 5. What I'm saying, print B. First of all, B there? No. This will give you what? Name error. Name B is not defined. But what I wrote in except now? 0 division error. Means what I'm trying to say, if this line number 26, if it gives you 0 division error, then come to me. If it gives you what? 0 division error, then come to me. If it is giving you other kind of errors, then don't come to me. So previously, if you observe there, I just wrote the what? Except there. When I write except, it will handle all kind of errors. But now I just want to handle what now? 0 division error. So some faculty say, if you are failing by 1 mark, then come to me. I'll add 1 mark. But if you are failing by 2 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, will I add that marks to you? That is in school days, not in BTech. In BTech, 25 marks, the JNT will keep and fail you. But 90% they won't fail. They'll try. But see with that 1 mark also, that head will be there. He will be asking, why did you ask 1 mark there? They'll be counting. No faculty want to fail, but that head will be there now. He will say, why did you add 1 mark there? How that student deserve 1 mark? This question should be there. So now this B will give you what now? First of all, name error. But what I told in line number 27 there, 0 division error. So will it go to now this 27 line there? No. Because this is name error, I am saying handling what now? 0 division error. So now my code gets stopped at line number what? 26. So run the code once. Got stopped? Yes. Clear this part 3. Now observe part 4. No. What a thing now here? Python. For Python, A equal to what? 5. 5 by 5. 1 or 1.0. Last time I'm telling you, in the Python, whenever you're doing that division, you always get the answer in terms of a float. By mistake also don't say the answer in terms of float, int. Now next what there, print b. Is there any variable called b? Let me explain topic, don't tell error now only. Can't say I'm saying you. This topics you can't say. Okay, just see once now. Okay. Now what I told in 39 there? Zero division error. This 38 will give you what? Name error you're thinking. Yes or no? Then what if I have the advanced Python analytics? Now I won't say anything, just observe once. Where it got stopped now? Line number what? 38. Because there is some mistake in what now? Line number what? 38. Okay. Now, part 5. Python, core Python, 5 by 5, 1.0. 5 by 0, 0. 0 division error. It will go to this 52 or not now? Go. Then now what will come? Python, core Python, 1.0, not okay divided by 0. Advanced Python analytics. Got the point now? Part 6. Okay, this first 2 points you are getting the point now. We'll just see the try except there now. So try there. See one thing again. You can only have one try. How many try you can have? Only one try. But you can have multiple except blocks. Multiple except. In the first except what I wrote there? 0 division error. In next is except block what I wrote there? Name error. So 5 by 5 will come what? 1.0. 62 will go what? Name error. Will it go to 66 or not? Yes. Yes or no? Then observe once. So will it go to 64 line there? No. Why? Because there is no such error there. 0 division error not there. Name error there. It went to what? 66 line. Fine. Yes or no? Okay. At least you answer this one now. Take your time. First of all, 5 by 5. So Python, core Python, here what now? 1.0. Here what? 5. Then here now? 0 division error. So not okay divided by what? 0. Advanced Python. See the output. Fine. Okay. Part 8. So 5 by 5 again. 1.0. Here what? 0 division. Again, next I have there again now. Once it comes after out of try, will it again go or not go? That's the main point now. Ja people. So now here what happens now? 0 division error. Not okay divided by what? 0. But again I have there what? Line number what now? 92. So will it go there or not go? That's the main point again now. That is what we have to see now. Then we have next what now? Advanced Python. This will come. This first two, last two will come now. Because it is not try and except now. Okay. But here what will come now? 1.0. After this what? Not okay divided by 0. The only point which you have to see is what now? Line number 92 will get printed or not. So observe once. Getting printed there. So once it comes out of the try block, again it won't go inside the try block. So here it what happens in the line number 91? It is coming out of the try block now. It goes to what now? Except block. Now again it won't go to the try block. Khatam. We'll continue again. Advanced Python, Python analytics. Got the point? Huh? So once it comes out of the try block, it again won't go back. That's the only point. No. Okay, in this case now, 5 by 5, 1.0. Then next what? So will it print 106 or no? Yes or no? Oh, no. Doubt there in the mind again. Tell the answer of this one now. Python, or Python, 1.0, 0 division error. Okay. So 120 line gets printed or not? Printed or not? Not printed. Why not printed? Reason if you ask there, what will say? Once it comes out to the try block, again it won't go back to the try block. No. I won't run. I won't comment out by saying you have to say. See now? Okay. So there is a mistake. What in what now? Line number what? 134. 134 will give you what kind of error? Naveen asked it. Asked tuple class. Naveen asked. Some people asked. No, till then. No. First of all, 134 is just a simple mistake. First of all, forget everything now. 134 is a small mistake or a very big mistake. First of all, 134 having any meaning? First of all, there is no meaning only. There is no such syntax, first of all. So total program will not get executed. Total program will not get what now? Executed. Because totally mistake now. If I remove the comment, you'll get the answer. That's why I didn't remove the comment there. So clear scheme answer. So you can see there what 134 having a red line there. Yes, sir. So big mistake there. Small mistake errors handling there. But this total mistake only there. So it won't handle. Nothing gets now what printed. Run the code now. Anything got printed there? Totally mistake it is. Totally mistake. Okay, sir. This pass here what now? Once pass here what? Syntax error. Okay now. Yeah, okay. I'll just keep in comment this part. Now okay. 5 by 5. How much? 1.0. Net goes to 134. Handle na. Now should handle na. We'll handle na. See there. Nothing happens. When simple mistake there will handle. Totally syntax only wrong. Nothing is going to be getting there what? Handle there. Okay. Totally blurry mistake. Writing an empty paper and expecting 1 mark, 2 mark. Chance there. But some people, not some people, people who done BTech, they know. Wrote something and came, but they passed. Yes or no? Because to give something mark, to do something, at least something should be written on the paper. Empty paper, if you think and give you thing pass, no one can do anything. Okay. That's why they say, write in the middle what stories and come. Starting, according to me, what I'll say, no. Starting, write story. because that is an old trick now. Everyone knows now. Middle write the story there. So what I'll apply logic? Starting write what you don't know. Always in writing exams, starting write the answers which you don't know. At the last you write the answers which you know. This is my logic. What faculty will say in your college? Write the answers perfectly which you know at the starting. Starting is a fool to sit there and check the papers. He also know, you also know. Starting write the correct answers only there. Tuck, 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 he'll go. Starting only write the wrong answers. School check. Sometimes bad luck happens. If I'm there, nowadays all online correction only, no one checking. Light, all pass only. Telangana Zindabad, India Zindabad. Why? Because Corona batch, all everyone passing now. 9 point GP, 9.8 GP, whatever GP there, no one counting now. Asking question, not able to say A plus B square formula, 9.8 GP. So Narana people that are keeping their own exams. People who are having brothers sisters, they know. Narana keeping their own exams, generally taking their water intermediate. This the thing happened last time. Even now also the same thing there. So don't think certificate you got khatam. Interview, that is the reason they keep their what interview. Whatever certificate you have failed, pass, no one cares. You're able to answer, not that is the only point. In the my case also same thing happened. I forgot the formula of A plus B cube. I forgot. But I challenge again. Give me one chance, then percentage interest. So everything in get opportunity, take the opportunity. Okay. I can't expect or you can't expect at one time you'll get the answers. Okay now. So what happens in the 134 line there? When small mistake there, handle there. But when big mistake is there, will it handle there? No. Then in this case now, so I'll just okay. Yeah, just say just wait there.